At Teatrx, we pride ourselves in creating the easiest to use meeting rooms in the world. To achieve this, we have partnered with Mago, the leading app for seamless workspace integration. Watch how Teatrx, powered by Mago's technology, is revolutionizing the meeting room. This video will show how to connect to any video conference with any video conferencing platform. Let's get started. By using the Teatrx installed room computer or large touchscreen display, you can easily access and control your video conferences. To create a video conference meeting using Microsoft Teams, begin by opening your Outlook calendar and selecting New Event. Click on Search for Room or Location and choose the perfect meeting space for your session. Once you've chosen your space, turn on the Teams meeting option. Enter the date, time, participants, and send the request. If the room is available, the system will book you a meeting. On the day of your meeting, your scheduled time will be displayed prominently on the home screen, ensuring a smooth start. Simply walk up to the display and launch your meeting with one touch. If you haven't already invited the video conference to a Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, or WebEx meeting, touch the video call icon and select the platform that matches your invite. Touch Join with ID, enter the meeting ID and passcode provided and hit Join. You will be connected immediately. To start a new video conference, simply tap the video icon and choose the conferencing platform. Select New Meeting. Add the email addresses for attendees and tap Start. The meeting invitation will be sent to your participants and the conference will launch in the workspace. At Teatrx, we ensure that your video conferencing experience is seamless across any platform. Do you still have questions? Call or email anytime. From all of us at Teatrx, thanks for watching.